What are home water leak detectors?
Home water leak detectors are electronic devices designed to sense leaks or excess moisture in your plumbing system. These devices use sensors placed near potential trouble spots, like under sinks or near water heaters, to detect water early. Many models send real-time alerts to your phone, helping you react quickly to signs of leakage before a small problem turns into serious damage.
How do leak detectors work?
Leak detectors generally rely on moisture sensors that trigger an alert when they detect water where it shouldn't be. Some advanced systems monitor humidity changes or track water flow for signs of hidden leaks. Many devices pair with smartphone apps, allowing you to receive instant notifications even if you're not at home.
Can they really prevent major water damage?
Early detection is key to preventing major water damage. Leak detectors help spot leaks right away, often before water spreads. For example, from a burst pipe, failed appliance, or overflowing tub. By notifying homeowners promptly, these devices allow for rapid action, limiting structural damage, mold, and expensive repairs.
Where should leak detectors be installed?
Install leak detectors in areas most at risk for water problems. Common locations include under sinks, near washing machines, around water heaters, by dishwashers, and in basements or crawl spaces. Strategic placement ensures early detection where leaks are most likely to start, offering the best protection for your home.
What other benefits do they offer?
Leak detectors can lower homeowner stress and sometimes even reduce insurance premiums. Some models also help save water by monitoring unusual usage patterns. By providing peace of mind and minimizing disruption, these devices are an affordable safeguard against costly water disasters and the hassle of unexpected repairs.